So let's take just a couple minutes and talk about AMA format. This seems to be giving people a lot of difficulty when you're writing your treatment rationales. So let's take a minute and dive in and look at it. Okay, so anytime a journal is asking for a specific format, you've got to get real particular. You need to know what it is and recognize when there's errors, because if you've got things wrong, you're going to get things rejected and sent back to you for redos. So you got to get it right. So let's go take a quick look at a format then. Okay, so if you let's go out to Google. I typed in AMA format, and I'm going to choose this first one right here, which is out of JMU. I should choose the second one. It's from Texas A&M. It's probably better, but you know what? I'm going to go with the first one since it's there. So let's take a look at this one right here. Looks like this was revised in 2012. Okay, so it gives you some general rules, but we're just going to look at one of the citations just and look at it just a little bit closer right here. So let's just expand this a little bit and look and see what we've got. Okay, so we're going to look at the second one down, which was, I think it listed it for like 6 authors or something. Okay, the first thing to look at is just the way the authors are laid out. Okay, that's laid out by last name and first 2 initials. So very particular. If there's 2 initials, they're both supposed to be there. Notice there's no periods. All there is a comma after the author's last name and first 2 initials. And then the next author, and then the next author. When we're done, we do put a period at the end. So Sanfei, H.A., period. Then we put the title of the journal article. And then, and this is what's really messing people up, is here in the journal name. Okay, so the journal needs to be abbreviated. That abbreviation is also very specific. You're going to find that on the PubMed website if you're in doubt about a specific abbreviation. And it also needs to be in italics. Okay, so, and then the last thing we're going to look at is the year of publication, the issue number, and the pages. Okay, so all of your citations should look like that. When I'm looking at your TRs and I see that you've got maybe you know, physical therapy spelled out on one, and then you've got an abbreviation. Well, it jumps right out at you that physical therapy was supposed to have been abbreviated. So you need to make sure that things are looking symmetrical as you're doing this. Okay, so Zotero is not 100% accurate. If you're pulling your citations from PubMed, they're pretty darn good. I find very few errors there. But if you're getting them from other websites, be real careful. Make sure you go through. You may have to massage the AMA format within Zotero. You may even have to import the AMA manager, citation manager into Zotero. So just be careful if you don't see it there. Don't just pick another one because you're going to get nailed for it. Okay, have any questions? Then come see me and we can get you fixed up. Take care. Bye.